One of the key parts required to make next-generation production lines more visible is the intelligent tag system developed by Nittoku. The first major feature is that large-capacity data can be rewritten more than 1 trillion times. This makes it possible to build a large-scale distributed control system. Second, it offers high reliability communication performance. This is achieved by the unique winding technique of Nittoku, enabling stable exchange of data. Third is high-speed processing. Reading and writing 128 bytes of information are realized at a speed of 0.07 seconds. This is more than double that of conventional products. The antenna and reader-writer can be miniaturized and wiring can be saved, and they can be easily installed in the equipment.